Omwancho murigerere na indembia monekero gendrete kubwatia mirubiri yonsi getaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo Gusii charagire Chinsa Isatekera ngo kwarigania SMS ya Amayia erionkumanye aina kwariganirie asenchera ere yobwekiranu korenderi tanganike yima tigaturanyore gatiari kwariganiretie asenchera ere yobwenge.
Makubaini ni hatua gani inatakikana ichukuliwe ndipo haki zao zilindwe vyema.
Ekiumbege kwegerera obwene bwa mwanya bantu kobeke mirubiri koene kya kiroyo monyoriro obwene bwaje
nago kirimo nase kiumbeke kya Forever Africa bya mono gakya so gocenke gamo nkonyira umwana uyone
magega yo kumurekerwa ko munyaruko yo mokoro bogusero yo bwato boremani gobona nyoriro bokonyi bwa bene.
We have a responsibility to the people of Kenya to facilitate development.
Emirobero nero yo gukora mangana koreto bosoku korwa sabarai nenkwana yagashawa ko bwatikana negiseyi ase county assembly ya Kericho. Omwancho murigerere bona yo munayanda mankengo kwarigania erionkumanye asenchera ere yobwekiranu kerongo koinyore uno nabakugendera gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook kwetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News nabogo tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website yeto nigora tonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendere gusanga manke erio tariane Evalino Sero nurtokubatrana nere kwenekia awekera sensemo imenyererio niga korokwa Joshua Auta ni otoko ya chaka korwa se county ya Nyamira asengo kumanyia buna eki nayo kwamereria obubwibwaye omubunkwe o West Mugrango Steve Mogaka nigo gia tegererwa rero ase kigambero kya Nyamira bosio bomunachie kina kiare wa kiarie awase Mogaka bagagwikirana erio koiraneria amaborio nyora buna eki nekyo nigo kyabege tweno yorenge koriye kerogekyo omanyikaine buna Rogers Muturi amange nigo twariganire no murikyo Job Monkey.
Ekina gyo kwamereria obubwibu mubunge West Mugrango Steve Mogaka nigo kyagendera ase koti enene ya Nyamira.
For dismissed all the affidavits filed herein and where witnesses did not testify are hereby ordered expunged.
Ase omubunge West Mugrango Steve Mogaka aikera nabo sibweke gamberio elinde kwegerera obubwibwaye. Egatia maborio aboriwa nokorwa obumanyi bwaye igoro yoko bagweto bauti egatie chikura chiage twasekerokyo mubunge nebirogo binde buna obo MCA ase ebituo bya Nyamira Primary nyakiore nebituo binde.
Okay. At paragraph 46 of your affidavit, you have explained the difference of votes as being as a result of stray ballots. Is that still your position in court today? Look at your paragraph 46. You have explained the difference.
Ase omuske Steve Mogaka ateba ekeirerete okobagweto bauti nechikura chia saregete.
You still, in paragraph 50 of your affidavit, call them stray ballots. Is that the correct word?
One of the explanations. I'm not better. IBC is better placed to explain.
Boigo nabo ligwa kurwa amachibu igoro yokobe kwa wetise na agent ba ODM gwetani oyomo asi form cha 34A etucha beta chigo icho ligwa ase ebituo byo gwa kachikura.
I can also see two names appearing as Jubilee.
Which party sponsored you?
Jubilee.
Jubilee. What is your explanation now that you had one agent in each polling station to these two stations and an example of 8 others where 2 Jubilee agents signed?
Ensemo ya Steve Mogaka nate batabwati obumanyi ekyo kirerete okoba kwa agent gwetani oyomo abo baitoreti ba ODM ase bitu ebiwe gwakachikura.
Gusii and the Siaga that you have brought to my attention, and those agents signed. If others chose to also call themselves to believe, the merrier.
Ogosaba kwabe kunensemo y'omosoli nokolingoli gukwa masakara y'echikura elinde komanya obwene.
Do not be misled by my colleagues, my lord, to make a finding that the prayer for scrutiny had been abandoned when you did not make an order that it had been abandoned. You are the final man in this courtroom.
Engana omonachie kina kiare wa kiare ateba na chikorwa okonasa gwetera omutandao chitariki emeronge ebere na isano nemo chomotienyi oyo.
I can deliver the ruling virtually on the 26th and then thereafter give directions that may be a consequence of the
Kurwa samagacho ye koti enene ya Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.
Mbia mono umurikito Job Maangi ase oroboti ororo ikiranu. Togotikana nayo nigo mateyemo kurwa sensemo ya bugusere yotoka se ebunge ya kitutu chache South me county ya Kisii yabeirege kurera obokonyi kubwatikana no mwana obumunyaruka ase leta Catherine Kwambuka oyo obwate oboremani gobono ekiombeke ekemo kimanyikanite buna Forever Africa kyabereke wesokia na kurwa obokonyi bwabene magega yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV gotarenge yo na kunyemberekera bene muri kyoito Mildred Momanyi no roboti urwaso bwime
nengo busaba abantu monko nyenye ndiskuru yerengiye ntagenti nenjenjo mbono chaje
kina busaba gake bukomba gutuka ona abami paba gake abagabana no musene tuito ona aba MCA nabandi bonse bali baligerete mwana obukonyi gake bankonya egera ndoto yayikirane
magega yo kumurekera omwana Catherine Kwambuka oyo menyete asobole makurwa ekenyoro kya Nyamausi eyereme yabo gusero kurwa kitutu chache South amachukuma kaigo aetire bono nigo abasamaria bayabesokire kurwa ekiombe gya Forever Africa iriyo kurwa obokonyi buna bakwerera
rero twachaga asenyencho na chakwa romano kurku Catherine Kwambuka who is under disability case inacha so boko rank kiaga neti asenyencho no mwana okora class 8 nenda na wenta kwenda form 1 nende mbaga neti konyora school fees.
And I'm a volunteer of Forever Africa with Jacqueline, and I've come today to see Catherine, and I've seen the conditions of living in Catherine, and she's very nice girl, is many talented, and I've certainly see the toilets that she used, and she really needs help, and like a wheelchair or decent toilets.
Nigo amate yabo yagokera obokonyo bwo ase mamo mwabo arengena yaiga
nagokire mono ase kiumbeke kya Forever Africa bia mono gake so goche nke ga mon konyero mwana oyone ege kogera amaene una akora extra date una mwate kuri Tanganyika okori rimbu yakorete mbona nyore message assessing ego tabanga atakiri Nairobi Joy town ali Nairobi no atakiri skuru agenda oro kakini mbato bomigu obonene igongo sabanga gaki bali mwensi pimondi gerete muri gerete mwana oyo iga gendera gotokonya gaki endoto y'umwana oyo ekirane
omwana Catherine oyo tabisa omogokoye nigo aorokia etaranta yaye yogochora nomonwa asenere akwana ayaiga
akira abantu bandi city fimbe yamana sogocha mwankonyi nande ngwakira bali bonse bankonyi dimesadi anyaraga kupasiseni asamoyo yibubate nande monkonya narangiri tiwe skuru buchi Nairobi eretika monkonya gakingo basaba abantu bana
hase chinga kiecho nigo abasamaria kurwa ekiombe kyo bagania abasamaria bande gwesokia iliyo kurwa obokonyi gochiase enkeyo ase boigo barobwo barabe bagotarira enkeyo iliyo kurwa obokonyi
tokorangeri abantu bonse bari barache batake gotokonya koiro mwana Catherine skuru nende na bwate chi challenges chinde cyo mwana omukena bwenta ko ba raised to na tena tunataka pia aweze kupata msaada wa kuweza kupata nyumba ndogo ya kwenda haja ndogo ambayo inaweza tengenezwa ikuwe ya kisasa, iweze kusaidia mama yake aache kuumia, kuweza kumbeba kila mara. Na pia tunaweza uliza watu wote wale wanaweza kuja, the well wishers wanyara ko mwa ekirogo ama yogotumia singenche kiroga abwate bonega kyabere kugosareka. Please Madam Rani, wherever you are, you have been helping me with chairs. Please, we need one for Catherine so that she can be able to go back to school.
Nigo yabeire omogoko monene gotia aso mwana Catherine maiga yokonyora obokonyi kurwa sekiombegia Forever Africa asebono iga agenderete gusaba abasamaria bayabugendere gwesokia na komokonya elinderi agenderie asa masomae na bo yokonyora obokonyi ase chinyumba cha kibara elinderi nere anyara ko baga okonyeka. Ngoripoteria egetaseni kya Ndizi TV kurwa gaiga asensemo ya Bugusero elietariane Mildred Momanyi.
Mbia mono murikeito Mildred Momanyi ase oroboti orurikiranu bunentre amoyoko enekia kera omukenya obeire gakonyora obwene bwaye nigaba commissioner korwa sekiombekerie kwegerera obwene bwa mwanya bantu bare ase orogongo rwa Gusii erio kumerana na baigo gusanga na birori na bali babeire bawetera amakongu yekingencho au aba commissioner abo ndigo sekiombekyo nigo gekagire ko bwatuka oroboti bene ko bwatukana no boiti na baigo kisegi chegenga ibi byabere bikorokana mono ase orogongo rwa Gusii amanke nigo twariganirira umurikeito Josephat Amisi.
Neri tukuria gatano rero magigaye kiombekeri gikuranira obwene bomanya bantu imeyense ya Kenya goikame county ya Kisii eliogo chaka obotuki anene ubwanyara ko bokoirera ugoitwe kwa bantu nabo igo ebikorwa binde ebikogenda mamincha no bwene ebwamanya bantu
no tole bosongo gaiga ande ntonyora ribaga katutare no yengo Nyamira kurigereria mangana mange turocha gendere to kolekana gaiga Gusii ingane elimo kwa ase okurwo mufano abantu igo bagenderete goitwa abana bakemwara goitwa bare paka abandi bakurusiwa maiso abangina bagoitwa
ekerenga ekibono nigo kyanyara ko bigoikaraniwa asensemo enene ase abamenyi be county ya Kisii banyara ko bagwesokia goikira ase ekanisa St Vincent yere obagatigati mu cyobosongo ko bakirori na kogikeria ebikorwa ebyo byeirere abantu abange gosiria obugima bwabo.
Tulikuja hapa siku ya Jumapili na tukaanza mchakato mzima wa kuongea na wananchi hapa na kupata vidokezo hasa kuhusu mauaji ambayo kwa kweli yametushangaza, lakini pia hasa mchakato huu unahusu visa vingi ambapo wakongwe wanauawa kwa kutuhumiwa kuwa wachawi, na tumeona hilo ni jambo ambalo linahitaji tutie mkazo kabisa, kupata watu wengi kabisa wakija hapa kutueleza namna haki zao zinavyokiukwa.
Oroboti uranyara ko bakoroswa kurwa ase bikare ebyo bye wiki eyemo ime county ya Kisii nigorachi ko barokonya serikali enene koenekia na komanya anene mbinto kibenyara ko bikoirera abantu abange gosiria obugima bwabo ase chinchira chiria chobotutukanu
jinsi haki inavyokiukwa, na tutatumia hiyo information ambayo tumepata kutoka kwao kujua kubaini ni hatua gani inatakikana ichukuliwe ndipo haki zao zilindwe vyema.
Abantu abange abanene n'abakeni ko banyare ko bagusiria obugima bwabo imeyorogongo rwa Gusii asa matuka bwango igam eyanyare to ko bikoirera ekombe ekigoikirana ime county ya Kisii gochakobo tukibene na koena na oroboti orachi ko barogokora ebikorwa buna ebyo ime county ya Kisii. Kuripotere kataseni kya Ndizi TV kure county ya Kisii eliterane Josephat Amisi.
Miamano murikeito Josephat Amisi ase orobotiuru abaremi bekemerie kawa kurwa sensemo ya nyatieko nigo bagokirete chibesa cyabo ekyo bagenderete kwewa anene ekyo bapimirite kawa omwaka w'ekibibere na mirongo ebere nebere korengana barabwo nigo nonyana bo chibesa ekyo chire kinge kegima egento baganirie babe bakomentwa a chibesa ase kiro askirwa batona nigo bagutumika chibesa chinyinge asokugura obwoyo nabo igo amariogo murikeito Ndemo Stephen noroboti urwaso bwime
Echae ne kagungatie melibe biwanda byabere bikomere gwimeli roba lya Gusii ase myaka emenge magega yabale mibeka gugokoba chiri batolira ase chitundu bali chechikagwo omwaka eta nigo nkomanyigu no moteneri bwetundu bale nyatie kubuna omoroberi boko baka nabalemi entunde entangani nigo chakire Korengana n'abateneri betundu bali echikagu ya nyatieko niga balemi barakanu chisiringi 30 na isano na isata ase kire yemo kibaganyete ogwakanu gwentunda ya kabere nonye nabo gatia balemi basanga na Ndizi TV nigo bairera buna ekerenge ekyo kyo gwakanu nigo kereinse gokorengani nechitundu bali chinde ime ya Gusii nechinse mo chinde buna Mount Kenya
serikali tigereria kamenta asiye njo musongo ga tama hakurere wanorocho karo kwagorera kwanyore chunji goisa wana tubata wana siku tubata bana bali chikore chibono chigoisa na nyumba matumisi na bokonyora bone byo konyatire goisa yare batokunya kurongo tokonye sana sense moyo wakana bana school fees kizo musabe serikali eso ime egera tokonye egera konyora bensingia kintu ne titratwa amoyo bana mugondo oyi weto amariogo
nonye oboteneneri bw'obolemi bw'echikagu ne serikali kegendete gosabu kobeka emiroberi erakini obolemi bw'echikagu niga abalemi basabiru koremereri na kogenderia obolemi obo
ndio nali kubasaba abantu bantu ikawa yabere ligori bono yero wasalibuya uye bugere buya agera mala tato bapimere tubaleta ikawa tibese buya na babaleta ya
gati ya mabori y'abalemi gochiase serikali naria na seki bagora moyo na mariogo yobolemi bw'ekagu ase ligori elimo korendenga kia barabu gwakanu amagori aba ao kurwetundu bale yemo gochiase yende orogongo oromo gochiase oronde Kuripoteria Ndizi TV elietariane Ndemo Stephen
Miamano murikeito Ndemo Stephen ase orobotiuru igikaro igoro yogokorera mauncherio richiko ase kiumbekyo bachorine chimbebe IBC nigo yakorekana rero ase ebunke ye Senate abunenchire yemo yokorwa ribaga erio abakomishona bayiya gochorwa ase kiumbekyo murikeito Vincent Onyancha na manke
Ebunge ye Senate nigo batware bikaro eri kunyara kobeka machiko yogo chekora ekyombekeri kyobochori nechimbebe IBC wagokoro buri yogo chikoba unenge abakomishona abagiya eyemaga y'umunyakiro bo ekyombeki wafula chebukati amona abandi babere gokora bokorri bwabo ase ekyombekyo ase boigo abandi batatu bakora wane Juliana Jerera betigemere mokuru ase ekyombeki kyobochori nechimbebe IBC.
I therefore would like people to forget that maybe I was sympathetic to the outgoing chairman, Wafula Chebukati, or that another person was sympathetic to the other commissioner who resigned, Juliana Cherera. That is not the debate. The debate is that let us create a path, a proper route map, and Mr. Speaker, with those few remarks, I second.
Nigo chinga kyekyo Oburu Odinga ate abuna machikara rosigwe tigabe yogo chikora ekyombekyo na bwego tabasego twara wanchiriria konde wensi.
Therefore, Mr. Speaker, when we are talking of the IEBC, it is a very, very crucial tool in the election process, and we must not be partisan. So, Mr. Speaker, when we make the laws, let it be for posterity, let it be for Kenyans, and let it be for improvement of our democratic process in this country, Mr. Speaker.
Chingakyo chomo seneta we county ya Nyamira Kongo Mogeni ni gaigere kyombekeri kya machiko LSK Law Society of Kenya asemere moyabon na komoche wali bagosana ne kyombekyo engana omo seneta Boni Alwale arokana kwamereria.
Mr. Speaker, I'm really saddened by the spirited attack I've seen in the House this morning and part of the afternoon against lawyers. It's the Law Society that fought for multi-party democracy in this country, Mr. Speaker. How can we sit here attacking Law Society of Kenya the whole morning as if we don't know about the history of this country? Look at the mandate of Law Society.
What is your point of order, Senator Boni?
And your son is a lawyer.
I don't wish to interrupt my colleague, who I respect very much. May the record show that the people who fought for the second liberations was not limited to Law Society alone. In fact, Mr. Speaker, I was in the struggle from the age of 22 at the University of Nairobi up to until we had succeeded. Could he withdraw the fact that it was only Law Society of Kenya, Mr. Speaker, sir?
Mr. Speaker, I thought doctors normally listen carefully. And when I was... so I'm surprised that Senator Boni Alwale does not seem to be listening keenly. I said Law Society was in the forefront. I have not said you are not in the forefront.
Nigo chinga kyecheke mbeketendre tobo koribwe serikali Public Service Commissioner kiamo chigwa na baseneta.
Mr. Speaker, my biggest problem actually with this bill is with the Public Service Commission. Whose interests does the Public Service Commission represent? If you look at the composition of the Public Service Commission, it is a chair, vice chairperson, and 7 other members appointed by the President with the approval of the National Assembly. Mr. Speaker, if there is a partisan organization that can only serve to represent the interests of one side of the political divide, it's a Public Service Commission.
Ayani gago chakira bono aba commission aba yaba go chigo chorwe rikora ekyombe kyobo chorne chimbe IBC maega yaba korri kurwa sekyombe kyokoro bakorri bwabo nabande gwetigia emiremo. Ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ritirane nchenkoro kwa Vincent Onyancha.
Miyamano Vincent Onyancha ase oroboti ororekera numancho mulgere ritogotigana nayo ni gomra iwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agendrete kwenekia na umurobire obwo bwagachi wechinyomba ase rigorirense no chiego korekana ase chinsemo chonsi imense ya Kenya. Ruto yorenge ase nsemo ya Ruiru ime county ya Kiambu nigo aene kiabuna nigo baganetie kwagacha chinyomba echochire chiribu emeronke 5 ase ensemeyo egati yemirobire ndemenge yogo kinya uchumi na bayokoreta magendero imense ya Kenya.
Leo tumefika hapa kwa sababu ya hii kazi ya ujenzi na ni kazi ya muhimu. Nataka niwaambie ya kwamba hii ujenzi tumeanzisha hapa ni nyumba 1000. Hapa Kiambu tumekubaliana na gavana wenu na wizara yetu ya kwamba Kiambu tunajenga nyumba 50,000. 50,000. Nimeongea na watu wa wizara ya maji. Ile maji tuliahidiana itafika hapa. Sasa tutaongeza kwa sababu we have all the requisite networks to make sure that we deliver water in Ruiru. In another 2-3 weeks, we will deliver water in Githurai as per our commitment. na tumekubaliana ya kwamba miti ipandwe in every place. Na waomba kila mmoja wetu, hata contractors hawa wetu wote, tumesema in every contract mambo ya kupanda miti itakuwa hapo katikati. Hata wale tunapatia, hata wale watu wa kandarasi tunarudisha wakuja wajenge barabara, every road itakuwa na part of the contract ni kuweka ni kupanda miti in every available space including along the roads. Mimi nataka vile vile niseme ya kwamba katika ile miradi ingine, mipango ingine yote, tutashirikiana pamoja na viongozi wenu. Tuko na mpango kamili ya kuhakikisha kwamba tunapanga ajira ya vijana wetu, tunapanga biashara na tunapanga kuzalisha uchumi. Tuhakikisha kwamba uchumi wa Kenya is on sound footing.
Ukwana tinga kiecho nigo mugavana we county ya Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi amwakira ngambia mono ruto asemememia na kumugania anene kobasira ase sekta yobochenu.
Watu wa hapa Ruiru, Your Excellency, nilikufikishia maneno ya kwamba wanakugojea na najua pia utasema ya kwamba ulituahidi hapa maji itatiririka na utakuja hapa utatufungulia maji wewe mwenyewe. Kwa huu ukuta nyuma hapo, Your Excellency, tuko na the only big hospital in Ruiru here, Your Excellency. That hospital, the biggest hospital in Ruiru, Your Excellency, does not have a male ward. Wanaume hawalalangi kwa hii hospitali. And the population of this place, Your Excellency, is more than 700,000 people in Ruiru sub-county. Hapa tumekuwa na shida kubwa. Na mimi ninakuomba, Your Excellency, kwa vile zile pesa ambazo county government iko nazo haiwezi kuhudumia hao watu kujenga ile hospitali na haswa kuweka mashini. Madawa tumejaribu kulete, lakini madawa bado sio ati imetoshea. Ningekuomba wakati unatuongelesha mambo yetu ya hapa Ruiru, usitusahau na hii hospitali, Your Excellency.
Kokora korwase county ya Kiambu muraiwense boigo nigaumira na ba women representative korwase chi county chonse meronkene na isano naibere ase nyumba yoburai ya State House ime mucho Nairobi eriogo kwanera amagendro au asabaganya gwekerania ariaganeire ase abakenya bakora wano mu women rep county ya Nairobi Esther Passaris nigo bari irayo cyo kumubwatsi ya Ruto erio koreta amagendro imense ya Kenya.
I am very much aware that we come from different political parties, we come from different formations. But I want to give you my word that I will work with you as the women of Kenya, irrespective of what formation you come from or what political party you come from. I recognize that you are elected by the people of Kenya the same way I was, and therefore we need to work together. So you can count on working with you. I also want to tell each one of you that you don't have to belong to my political formation for us to work together. We should be able to play our different roles, but we are united in making sure that we secure the interests of the people of Kenya in every role that we play.
We understand that money is tight, but we want to assure you that the money that we have as women reps, right? Only 16 of us came back. The rest of them, majority are new. We will mentor them, we will guide them, we will make sure that we deliver to the hustler nation.
As women, we are ready to support you. We have always supported you. And even those people who are not in our party are ready to support you.
Kubatkana netse yechabachi kwene kiwa ase county assembly ya Kericho ase okorwaniriro burai nigo mokonyi bomurai wense Rigathi Gachagua abeirega batayona babeire bagusansora chise yecho na kwene kiabuna tichirigo chikwene kiwa nainde ase ntunda yende.
We have zeroed down that the problem in Kericho stems from struggle for people to lead and misunderstandings on the House leadership. The leaders present here have unanimously agreed that we amicably resolve all the outstanding issues and restore peace and normalcy in Kericho. Issue of the leadership of the House of the Assembly have been resolved to the satisfaction of each and every member. And as a result, elections have been held and the results have been accepted by all present. And in the meeting it was agreed that the following positions be contested and leadership established: the leader of majority, the deputy leader of majority, the majority chief whip, and the majority and the deputy majority chief whip. The following members were elected for the above positions. The majority leader will be the Honorable Philip Rono. The deputy majority leader will be Honorable Fancy Chepkoril Koril. The majority whip will be the Honorable Aaron Rotich, and the deputy majority whip will be Bavina Serem.
Gashawa baigo nigo akwanira bura ya se county ya Meru na watebabuna nigo abarache kumirana na baraibons kuru ya se county eyo eriyo gokora chingwana munenchira yemo yo kubeka obwa mateburo byabo koreta amagendero baigo nigatebabuna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nebegetomokia bwo koine kyabuna abaraibonsi anene kuru ya se kyama kya UDA babeire bago chamo na gotwara obwa mateburo bya na baigo koliya chinchira chogo sansora ibrukane kero yaberege kororokana ega.
In the next 1 week, I'll be having a roundtable discussion with the governor, members of the National Assembly, the Senate, and the members of the County Assembly with a view of restoring peace and stability in the county of Meru. The UDA party has a manifesto, it has formed the government, and the party is expected to support the executive to achieve our mandate, and that can only be done where there is peace and stability and where there is unity in leadership. We therefore urge all our leaders across the country from the UDA party and by extension the Kenya Kwanza coalition to always seek for unity, and where there are issues, resolve them amicably the way we have done this morning, so that the party backs the government to execute its mandate to the people of Kenya.
Omoseneto mochore bwe county ya Elgeyo Marakwet William Kipkemoi Kisang nigo atianwa bene ditkoria lero bosyo bwe bunge ye Senate eryo gochaka obokoreri bwa bene ase abananchi bensemeyo.
I, William Kipkemoi Kisang, having been elected a member of the Senate, do swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the people and the Republic of Kenya, that I will obey, respect, uphold, preserve, protect, and defend this Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of Parliament, so help me God.
Mwancho morigereria aigano twekiro mwerio bwa Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchira ereyo bwikirano kerango wakirangambia mono asogochora kobananche bartua bwatirana kwene kyamangana gwekeire na barabunigo nko bakirangambia mono nyorana bakogendera gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube nigora tonyora wetera Ndizi TV News na bogo tweet wetera @Ndizi TV News boigo ase website ito nigora tonyora wetera www.ndizitv.or.ke erio togendre gosanga manke erio tariane Evalino Sero oritua bwatirana nere kwene kya awikira sensemo imenyererio niga korokwa Joshua Auta norio ne kyabuna chibicha nerio gicha awikira senchira ya bene niga korokwa Petronira Mukeira tukukanelya uburigerero bya nabo igo obutko boro botereru hoikarit koria ankyo.